In this exercise, we're going to look at different ways to calculate ending inventory. Crum Incorporated uses a periodic inventory system. Its records show the following for the month of August, in which 81 units were sold. And here we have our beginning inventory, some purchases, and our total cost of goods available for sale, with the number of units, the unit cost, and the total cost for each. Our instructions are to calculate the ending inventory at August 31st using the FIFO method, the average cost method, and the LIFO method. For average cost, we'll round the average unit cost to 3 decimal places, and we should be able to prove that the amount allocated to cost of goods sold is correct under each method. So let's see what these transactions look like. At the beginning of the month, we had inventory of 40 units. Then on August 15th, we purchased an additional 34 units. And finally on August 24th, we bought the remaining 52 units. Under the FIFO method, our oldest inventory is going to be sold first, and our ending inventory will be comprised of the most recent purchases. So during the month, Crum sold 81 units. That includes the 40 units that were in our beginning inventory, plus the 34 units from our August 15th purchase, and an additional 7 units from our last purchase on August 24th. This means that our ending inventory is going to be 45 units from our last purchase at $9 per unit. So if we value that, 45 times $9 gives us $405. $405 is the cost of our ending inventory. If we look at our inventory equation, we had our beginning inventory, which was $280 from August 1st, plus our purchases, which include the 272 and 468, or 740. This gives us our cost of goods available for sale of 1,020, which should equal our total cost here. Subtract our ending inventory of 405 means that our cost of goods sold will equal $615. With the average cost method, we're going to compute an average cost for the inventory. So we take our total cost of 1,020 and divide it by 126 units, which gives us a unit cost of about $8.09. If Crum Incorporated sells 81 units, that means that there are 45 units left in inventory. Multiply that by the $8.09, and the value of our inventory will be approximately $364. So we take our cost of goods available for sale of 1,020, subtract ending inventory of 364, gives us cost of goods sold of $656 under the average cost. Finally, under the LIFO method, the newest purchases in our inventory are going to be the first ones to be sold, and the oldest inventory will make up our ending inventory. So if Crum sells 81 units, that means our most recent purchase of 52 units will be sold, along with 29 units from our second to last purchase. So our ending inventory will include 40 units at $7 a piece, or $280, plus 5 units at $8 a piece from our oldest purchase, or $40, for a total of $320. So our cost of goods available for sale was 1,020 minus our ending inventory of 320 gives us cost of goods sold of $700. So let's compare the three methods. Under FIFO, we had an ending inventory valued at $405. Under LIFO, we had an ending inventory valued at $320. And under the average cost method, we had ending inventory valued at $364. So FIFO gives us a value that's closer to our market cost. LIFO gives us more of a historical cost. And the average cost gives us something in between. And these are the three basic methods that you can use to calculate ending inventory.